Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can delete all your contacts on Snapchat app. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the gear button. Now, scroll until you can see Manage. After that, tap on Contacts. Now, select Delete All Contacts data. After that, confirm your action by selecting Confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.